go. Okay, now you're gonna put it. Okay, now put right here in this corner. There you go, right there. Hold on. Wait. Be patient.
What are you doing? Cookies. Oh
not
my
finished.
God.
Too
Not
big.
finished?
Hold on, wait. Okay, now put it over here. Over here. Over here. There you go.
What's the recipe?
The piece is little.
Oh my God.
The piece has to be little. Oh, I like your little furry. Wait. You want to add more to this one?
Wait,
Add more to this one.
Dang, I need new battery. Oh my God.
There
What flavor are you making?
Get a chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wow.
Chocolate.
Okay, put it in this one.
Let's put it this way.
Yeah. There you go. We're done.
We're done.
Good job. Give me a phone.
That was it? Wow.
Good job.
You know how to make cookies now?
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Not this shirt. It's
Yeah.
yeah.
No,
you
you
say
say
yes,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Or you're not gonna make the cookies no more. Say yes, sir. Yeah. Whatever.
Wow. Who are you making the cookies for?
I made them. They just Sylvie and Bo and Mommy, Daddy and Baba and we got to the oven.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hey, que no volver a
Okay, now it's not finished.
No?
No, it's not finished. It
When?
got mixed there and now it got full finished.
Okay, when is it gonna be finished?
It got to the oven.
How long is this one?
You gotta put it in the oven?
No more than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 5 minutes?
Yes.
You sure 5 minutes?
No,
No, not no 5 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes, Brianna. No, it's 5 minutes.
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
Hey, Bo, can I go play then?
Yes, you can. Come on.
So 10 minutes and the cookies are done. Y ahora la va a hacer bolitas.
Excuse me. ¿Qué?
Excuse me.
Kelly, espérate que acabe de hacer eso.
Who is that?
Está Chescomato.
Who is that?
It's Chescomato in the car.
Siempre me sacan videos feos, ¿verdad?
¿Quién?
Pues quién.
Pues he visto este güey en New Year.
Sácame una pala, Ángeles, por favor.
Para darte. Guapa.
Es para voltearlas. ¡Pala!
That's what
No palote.
Oh my God, you need Jesus.
What was an accident? I'm
You
sorry.
need Jesus in your life, girl.
Well, we don't go.
The cookies are so good. Cool now.
That's what I should have gave y'all for Christmas. I should have gave y'all Bibles, all of y'all.
All of us. Well, that hurt. Yeah, they over it.
Theo,
Whee!
you want to taste the cookies?
No.
Didn't I tell you to make him a lobster?
I did, and I gave it to him, Brianna.
So what's that?
That's
Hey, hey, hey.
Brianna. This is the boss song. I made us doing this.
Miss
Ya acá las ojos. Where are they? Oh, ya me lo están. Ya habías puesto ahí.
Ya, nomás que está muy grueso.
Como unos 2 minutes, ¿no? Cada lado.
Ya.
Gorditas. Para la bu gordita.
I'm not. Just for that, I'm gonna eat a cookie with your meat.
Wow.
Book deal.